Welcome back, dears. Today in chapter 4.5, choosing graph. So first of all, I have to know probability means what, or how do I write it? It's a number of ways the event can occur divided by the total number of equally likely outcomes. So we've got four types of graph and we're going to define them. First one is going to be the bar graph. So what is a bar graph? The bar graph is used to display and compare data. Okay, and the second one I've got is a Venn diagram. What is a Venn diagram? This is the shape. This is how we draw it. It's like two circles, and the middle part in here, it's the one that's common between both two circles. It shows the relationship between two or more data sets. So these two circles, it can be more than two. It can be three circles or four. Now, we've got a line graph. What is a line graph? This is how we draw a line graph. It shows how data change over a period of time. So whenever I'm talking about time, let's say I'm talking about age of someone, this is going to be what I'm going to use a line graph for it. The fourth one, it's a circle graph, or I can also call it pie chart. It's used to show how a set of data is divided into parts. For example, if we have blood type, the group of blood types, in here, I'm gonna use circle graph. All right, let's solve one of the activities. The first question, it says, choose type of graph that would best represent each type of data. So the price of 6 televisions. Number one, I've got 6 televisions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So the price of 6 televisions, I can say I'm going to use what? I'm going to use a bar graph. Okay. Number two, the height of a person from birth to age 21. Since it's talking about time, birth till age of 21, so the best thing to use is going to be a line graph. All right. This question has the same idea. Okay. So we're going to go to the other question here. In a class of 25 students, all right, this is the total number of students. 12 of them, they like to read novels, and 8 reading scientific books, and 5 reading both. So make the best graph representing the data. We said we're going to use a Venn diagram that we can have something in common between them. So in here I've got 12, they like to read novel, and 8 they like scientific, while 5 they like both. So what did I use? I used a Venn diagram. All right, dears.